Hey guys, we're back here at Cripple Creek. We're about 3.5 months in. I wanted to show you around all the progress we've had in the past month and then show you a few things we've been doing differently here at Stake Construction and what makes us different. So I wanted to show you guys one of the things that our design team does that helps us be more efficient, eliminate mistakes, and really keep all of our trades on site organized is we've got these design sheets. So any one of our trades, anyone can come and scan this code here and it'll take them to the drawings or the sheet that they need. For example, these are the cabinet drawings you can see here. So I can just scan the QR code, go to the page. It's going to show up 61 pages of cabinet drawings with all the dimensions, all the heights, all the widths. So the electrician, plumber knows where the sinks are at, knows where all the outlets need to be placed. A few different people asking around. It's all right here. They can find it easily. Helps be more efficient, move along super quick. If your custom builder isn't doing something like this, there's going to be a lot more phone calls, there's going to be a lot more mistakes, and the process is going to move along a lot slower. Okay, so another thing that really helps us move along quick is knowing exactly what kind of finished material that we're going to do in the house. So we're looking here in this door opening. This is engineered wood. It's going to be straight. You notice these studs around it, we call that dimensional lumber. You're going to have a little bit of curve to it. It's not going to be straight like engineered wood is. In this house, we're doing caseless doors. So we needed to have straight lumber in all of the door openings so that our drywall can run perfectly straight to these openings, as we're not going to be able to cover these up with any casing. So that's one of the things in the pre-construction process. We have to decide, or the homeowner has to decide what they want to do there. We got to know that ahead of time so that we can move super quick and efficiently and know exactly what we're doing. Not every home is going to have this. It's kind of sixes on cost because we're eliminating any door casing, but you have to spend more money on the engineered lumber. It's going to be a little bit more. It really depends on what the customer wants. If they like the look of casing, then they can do casing. If they'd rather have a clean look and not have any casing, that's totally up to the customer. But regardless, we want to plan that out before we start the house so we know how to frame the doors, how to order the lumber, and that way we can move along super quick, which in turn is going to save the customer time and money. You're seeing this a lot nowadays. This is a really good feature. This is stackable washer and dryer, so you can have a washer here and a dryer up top. If your HVAC guy or your custom builder isn't putting the vent for the dryer recessed into the wall, you got to ask him what's up with that. He must not like you very much, because this makes it super nice to where you can actually push the washer and dryer all the way back to the wall and not have to lose several inches by connecting the dryer. You know, have a few inches to connect it. It's already into the wall. Makes it really nice. So I want to point out one thing that's really important to us. Our project manager here has done an awesome job of protecting this fireplace. This is the first really permanent feature to go into the house, or a permanent selection, I should say. We're going to have a lot of different trades coming in here over the next several months. You can see how protected this is. It's all covered in tape. This is insulation foam board. This fireplace insert here and the one behind it, you're probably looking between $15,000 to $20,000 of fireplace inserts. We don't want to have those getting scratched, dented, damaged. The thing that's really important is that make sure and preserve those materials and make sure that when the homeowner moves in, they're going to look brand new. So I want to show you guys an update from our last video. You can see we've got the 4-truss system up top here, and that just allows us, you can see all the HVAC lines, the plumbing lines, electrician can run through here. And that still allows us to get 10-foot walls down here instead of running all these lines below the floor system and then having to come back and frame them. Just love the way that it makes it feel nice and open, and we can run everything up inside the floor system. At Stake Construction, we found that working with our project managers, looking at our schedule and being as efficient as we can, having trades working together with the schedule and working here at the same time can really help us be more efficient with our project management and moving the job along. So that's your update on Cripple Creek. Like I said, we're about 3.5 months in. We're really happy with the progress that we've made here. We're actually tracking ahead of schedule, which is awesome. If you're interested in starting your custom build, reach out at stakeconstruction.com.